Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to sign up with DoorDash. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your mobile. Then on the search bar of the browser, type identity.doordash.com. After that, you'll be redirected to this page on DoorDash. Now, on the top of the page, you'll be able to see there's a navigation bar with two options, either sign in or sign up. If you already have a DoorDash account, you can simply stay in the sign in tab. However, if you're creating a new account, go ahead to the sign up section, tap on sign up. Now enter your first name and your last name and enter your email. Now go ahead and enter your phone number. If you're in the US, select the country code for US. You can also select the country codes for all these countries provided to you by DoorDash. Simply enter a phone number. Now go ahead and create a password for your DoorDash account. After doing that, simply tap on the sign up button that appears in red on the bottom of your page, and then you have signed up for your DoorDash account. You can also create your DoorDash account via your Google account or your Facebook account. To do so, you're given options down below. If you simply tap on it, you can create your DoorDash account using Google account or your Facebook account. And this is how you can sign up with DoorDash. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.